Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video we will learn the vocabularies for buildings. So basically buildings in Arabic. So let's get started. Bismillah. So the first word is maktaba. Maktaba, library. Matar. Matar, airport. Mustashfa. مستشفى, hospital. شقة, شقة, apartment. مطعم, مطعم, restaurant. فندق, فندق, hotel. شركة, شركة, company. محطة البنزين, محطة البنزين, gas station. Masjid, mosque. Masjid, mosque. Sijn, sijn, prison. محكمة, محكمة, court. مختبر, مختبر, laboratory. إمارة, إمارة, building. متحف, متحف, museum. مخبز, مخبز, bakery. مزرعة, مزرعة, farm. So these were the few words, Arabic vocabularies for buildings, and I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.